How about that?
That Nepal, let me tell you, that Nepal.
Wasn't that special?
That truly was. It's a special night.
You know, I was thinking the same thing. I just feel like tonight, there's something in the air. It just feels like a wonderful night for GALA. I don't know, maybe that's just me.
I'm feeling that too, I'm feeling it too. It feels magical. Is there magic in the air, you could say?
Yeah, you know what that reminds me of, actually? The views that can be seen all across our next country that's about to dance.
Oh, you must be talking about Chile.
You know it. You know it. Yeah. Let's hear it for Chile. Yeah. Now, Chile is actually home to so many diverse biomes. It's incredible. There's the Andes mountain range. There's the Atacama Desert. I mean, it's crazy.
And, you know, it's also, it's tropical in the north.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Wow. So what can't Chile do?
They can never escape those bad name jokes.
Yeah, them in Bangkok, I've heard, have that issue. Ooh. Yeah. Anyways, you know, I think there's so much beauty in Chile, but one thing it's really known for, really long country, very thin, and it's got this big swoop at the bottom.
So you're saying it's tall and curvy? Maybe I'm Chilean.
How's your Spanish?
Mucho mal.
That's actually not correct, but good thing is our choreographers, Cami and Amatista, do speak Spanish, and they'll tell you a little more about the stance.
Hola, I'm Amatista.
Buenas, I'm Cami.
Thank you. We're so excited to share what we and our dancers have been working so hard on. We made Chile's GALA debut last year, and we're so happy to be back.
Our performance will consist of a combination of traditional cueca, cumbia, and a contemporary reggaeton. And now we want to share a Chilean cheer with you all so you can have a piece of Chilean culture to take home and so you know how to cheer us on.
Okay, we're gonna demonstrate first and then y'all are gonna do it with us. It goes, chi, 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 le, 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 viva Chile. Okay, so we're gonna go chi, chi, chi. Y'all are gonna go le, le, le. And then we're all gonna go viva Chile. Ready? Chi, chi, chi. Viva Chile. Y'all can do better than that. Y'all can do better than that. You can do better than that. Ready? Chi, chi, chi. Viva Chile!
Okay, now you guys are ready. Thank you so much and enjoy. Mierda, mierda!
Que cantaba todo el día, en la mañana siempre huellaba la gallina. Conmigo repetía que la vida es pura vida, que había que jugarla, que había que sentirla. Me gusta lo completo, no lo atravesado. Los cabros con sujetos, los autos gestionados, los bares con sus viejos, las viejas y sus cuentos. Le pongas a Trujillo que son buenos.
Me escribe que si estoy lejos, que está bella y le llego a Chile. Ay. Mami, te siento lejos, dime dónde estás.